Hey, it's me, Manic Mark, coming to you from the bunker system. Located underneath the art villa. Found somewhere in the jungles of the Midwest. And I thought you might like to take a break and see a few of the treasures I found over the hillside. That's been gone for about 5 years. That plant holder thing. The raccoons come up and they take the see, I made this thing. This was the first thing I made. This was the prototype. I made this out of pipe and metal and stuff and welded it together, and that's been there for about 5 years, I think. And actually I made other ones that are fancier, but they hold the bird seed. Well, the raccoons come up and they rip these things off and they take them down in the woods. Well, we started using shower clips and wires and stuff to hold it all on. So I found a couple that were down in the woods that the raccoons had messed up. And there's a nice 3-foot piece of cast steel pipe, and this thing here came with the house, and I threw it over the hillside years ago out of the fireplace. I also threw a set of leaf springs from World War II leaf springs, which I shouldn't have, but oh man. Steel wasn't worth anything then. Anyway, there's a bunch of brick down there. I got the brick and some field stone. And while I'm down here, I was just gonna, does anybody need a Jeep engine? In this 1946 4-cylinder flathead Jeep engine. I got the head for it.
Hey, welcome to another edition of What a Piece of Junk. Today we'd like to look at a 1946 Willys Jeep. Yes, jacked up on blocks and sitting in a barnyard somewhere in central Ohio. This 1946 Willys had a beautiful 4-cylinder engine.
Yep.
With a water-cooled engine.
Yes.
And my faithful assistant is looking at it.
Yes, and fixing and checking the oil can.
Oh, right.
An oil can. Filter in 100 degrees and
and as you notice, there are 4 spark plugs.
Yes.
2 of which are brand new.
Yes.
1 which is excruciatingly cracked.
Yes.
And does not seem to be very difficult. It's not very easy to get at.
Yes. And I'm looking on it.
Yes. Let's check out the beautiful interior of this machine.
And vroom, 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 vroom.
Yes, the beautiful interior of this wonderful Jeep has lots of leg room. Also, as you can tell by the scoot out of the way, big stuff.
What? Yes, and me too.
And of course, the original. Scoot out of the way, please. Which gives you the gear design.
Yes, and I'm supposed to boom, boom, boom. I got we go.
And the wonderful stereo system in there too. The 2 shifters, of course, a dipper.
Keep, keep, keep. Beep, beep, beep.
And a wonderful driver. And of course, the back end of this beautiful machine. And the other junky truck sitting in the background. Wave bye-bye, Josh. Say bye. See you later.
I'm thinking I don't need the Jeep engine, and if you want to make me an offer and come pick it up, I don't think I'll scrap it. But so this is just where I keep stuff, the Christmas tree and everything. This is all good stuff here. There's Linda. I just couldn't bring myself to get rid of her. I have to paint her again and put her somewhere. Couldn't get rid of it. I got to figure out what to do with this. Oh, there's the original gate right there. That's a panel out of an elevator. steel panel. I made a gate out of it. Anyway, and then I got this this great steel fence, this industrial grade steel fence. I have to figure out something to do with. That's really heavy. I'm not sure what to do with that. Okay, that's it for this part of the video. It's a long way down there. I don't think I'm going to be jogging today. I haven't heard anything from this other thing yet I'm giving away. Nobody jumped on it. What else do I have here? To give away for actual shipping. I'm sorry. I realized I was a bit manic in that last video. The idea that I should request $1 for any of this is way beyond reason. A vase actually made in China. Wow, is that a real decal on this thing or not? I don't know. I'd never do a good job about building stuff up, but look, it's got little berry handles. I think those are berries. Little berry handles. And it's got this fruit motif. And so this is either free for actual shipping or I'm going to smash it. Along with that thing from Tiffany's. Now think about it. I made some crack about hoarders and crap, and I got some flack about that. Like, what do you think all those records are? Well, hoarders, whenever you go into their house, they got everything. Uh-oh. That's not good. It's not good. All this stuff you can use. Oh, they say that too. If you watch that show, there's no excuse. There's no excuse. You could live in a room full of gold bars and not have anywhere to sleep, or yeah, and it would be wrong. A room full of gold bars. Cut out all that indecision in the middle. A room full of gold bars, and it would be wrong. There's the guard dog. Hey, guard dog. What you doing? Aren't you supposed to bark or something? I could be somebody trying to break in and steal your food. I could be trying to steal your food. Your food. I could steal it right now. I could just break in and steal your food, guard dog. Some guard dog. Oh well. Now if I walk this way, you'll get mad. You'll get mad at me if I walk this way. Ha 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 ha. I forgot my hat. My head's got to get sunburned. The first beer is good. The second beer is good. The third beer starts to get bitter. I'm usually only a 2 beer a day guy. So there you go. And there'll be a song after this video by the Tiki Drummer.